Cut the strap around the box. Unbox to reveal the slide extension and accessories. Align the reference line and install the positioning piece by tightening the top screw. Install the slide extension by aligning with the locating holes. Rotate the wheel to remove the ruler if needed. Rotate to loosen the wheel. Insert the wooden board. Tighten the wheel to secure the board. Tip: ensure the wheel is fully tightened to avoid any collision risk when processing. Plug in the rotary cable and slider cable. Power on the laser. Connects the laser to a laptop via a USB cable. Please visit WeCreate official website and download the version 3.0.5 or newer of Make It software to work with your Lumos Flex. Open Make It software. Click New Project. Choose Blue Light Laser. Switch to slider mode. Click Initialize. The slide extension will move left and right to prepare. Note: clear the table to allow space for movement. Click Refresh. Turn the knob to align the blue and red dots. Now you will see the wood board on canvas. Choose a design from library. Copy the design. Paste the design onto canvas. Adjust the size and position. The XY coordinates on the canvas match those on the slider. Use them to locate the pattern accurately on the board. Set power and speed. Click Framing to view the actual processing area. Click Start. If no need to adjust, click Send. Press the button to start processing. Look, what a wonderful piece you have created.